Hi, this is Joel Meyer. Here is a sorting activity. You will need an egg carton. Cut off the lid and the locking flap. The egg carton will be used to sort the objects. Choose pom-poms or beads of different colors. Choose paint colors that match the pom-poms or the beads. Paint the bottoms of the egg carton cells in different colors. For example, start with yellow. Choose 2 egg carton cells at random and apply a little bit of yellow paint. Spread the paint well with a paintbrush. Then proceed in the same way with pink, then orange. Continue with red and then purple. And finish with green. Let the paint dry completely. When the paint is dry, let the child sort the pom-poms and place them in the cells of the same color. You can combine this color matching activity with a fine motor skills activity. Propose the same activity to the child, but using kitchen tongs this time. Instead of kitchen tongs, you could use a clothespin. This will exercise the muscles of the hands. You can do the same activity with beads. Depending on the number of beads you have, the child can put more than 1 bead per cell. It then becomes a sorting activity. When the child has mastered the activity, you could increase the challenge by adding 1 or more intruders. I mean beads or pom-poms whose colors is not represented in the egg carton. The child will have to decide what to do with them, for example, putting them in a separate jar. By recycling and with little cost, you can organize great activities for children. Since this activity uses small objects that could be put in the mouth, it is not suitable for children under 3 years of age. Don't forget to subscribe to our AnimaPlates YouTube channel and also click on the bell to be notified as soon as a new video is published. To access a printed document, subscribe on the AnimaPlates website. See you soon!